Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Charles, and if it is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be bringing you a lot of tech videos, lifestyle, traveling around places. So today I'm actually super excited. I'm in Oyam district in a place known as Kamdene, and by the way, I'm here with my cousin brother, and say hi to the people watching. And his name is Chris. He's actually my cousin, my best friend, my childhood friend, the guy I grew up with. He's a good guy, he's a sweet guy. So today I'm going to one of the well down. It's I don't know where I should call it a well, but it's a water collection point whereby the whole village or the whole community get water from. So he's going to take me, and of course I know I need him to just take me, and we go take some videos, clips, and I show you. So his name is Chris, and of course I'm Charles. Let's go. Let's see. This I just came to this place for a few days, and I should be leaving soon. So let's go see the water that I used to collect when I was a child, and it's a water that is helping the community. Peace. So this is Oyam district, and it is actually in northern Uganda in Kamdini. This is where I was born, by the way, and this well that I'm going to take you to, this water collection point that I'm going to take you to, is a place that I remember when I was a kid, we would come and I collect water from. I remember my mom, and my mom would send me with a bike to come and get water. It was kind of an excitement, like learning to ride a bike as a child. So this place, I have a lot of good memories about it. That's why each time I have a chance to come here, I always want to check out this place. So just take a look at it. Oh, Monra and I did it. And the bug. I made it down, you see. Oh, well, yeah, I made a road together. What the fuck? I'm waiting, girl. I don't know the ticket. I don't know where to go. Then I knew we are sorry. What is here in the bar? Oh, fire, Tigero hello. No, right.